Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a guaranteed leads.io review. And today, what we're going to do is go over the full site, everything about guaranteed leads.io and why I decided to start promoting this opportunity. I am a member. Why? Because I want more traffic for my business and I was interested in what they have to offer. No, not only that, I know some reputable marketers who are promoting guaranteed leads.io, and they stated that they were really excited about what this system has to offer. So once I seen the sales page, I was sold on this. I love the layout. Everything is clean. And not only that, the payment options that they give you are direct payments that are going to go directly to you when people decide to sign up to get these leads. These leads are good for anyone who's promoting any type of work from home or work online opportunity. And you're going to be able to get the most out of this because they're going to give you several options on different places that you can go and different ways that you can start generating traffic on an ongoing basis so that you can build your list, but not only that, start to get consistent leads and sales for your business. So right below this video, you're going to see this video. You can go ahead and play this video by clicking on the description below. That's going to have the link that's going to take you directly to this video. You are going to want to watch this video because the video is going to allow you to understand how this business is going to help you to grow your business. And not only that, how you can use this system to get leads for your business. So Guaranteed Leads is a turnkey affiliate program, and this is going to help marketers generate not only leads, but also an upfront cash flow for people who decide to come in and use the system. Now, this is a one-time payment opportunity. You do not have to worry about upsells or paying monthly for using the system. You're going to pay once and it's going to give you full access to guaranteed leads. You're going to get high quality lead sources, automated texting platforms, bulk email softwares, and they also have the done for you ad campaigns. So you don't have to worry about setting up campaigns, setting up sales pages, or anything like that. All of this is done for you in the back office. And again, we are going to go over that so that you can get an idea of what you're going to receive once you are a member. Now, there's a one-time cost of $125. This is going to allow you to receive unlimited $75 payments. You are going to have the reseller license to promote this opportunity to anyone through an email list, through social media, or however you choose to promote, even to the list of traffic that they're going to give you. You can promote it to that as well. The payment options are here. They allow you to connect this to Cash App, Venmo, Authorize.net, Stripe, Zelle, or Bitcoin. So they have a lot of different payment options. If you don't like one, you can choose the other. You're going to click here to create your account. And this is going to allow you to basically join using my link. And again, this is right in the description below this video. So this is a paid system only, no free access. So you do not get the opportunity to test this because as soon as you are a member, you automatically receive the information that they're going to give to you that's going to allow you to start generating high quality leads. So yes, you're going to pay for this upfront to get access to the different traffic generation strategies that they recommend and the lead sources that they recommend as well. You can come down here, you're going to create your account, start with your first name, last name, email, a username, password, your phone number, your information, address, city, state, and zip code, and then you're going to create your free account, okay? So that's the first thing that you want to do when you decide to become a member. And then you can select the payment option. Once you are a paid member in the membership area, it's going to allow you to plug in your information for the different methods that you would like to use in order to start accepting payments. So once you're in your back office, you can set that up, save it, and then it's all set for your unique URL that's going to drive people directly to your sales page, okay? Now here, this is your back office. Once you are a paid member, it's going to take you directly to the dashboard. Here, you're going to have a welcome short overview video. You don't want to skip this video. It's only a little bit over 5 minutes. And this is going to basically help you to get started and tell you where to go to get all of the information that you need, your resources, your tools, and also the referral program. It's going to show you how many people clicked on your link, how much sales you made and commissions you have in your account. They have your marketing funnels here. So they already have your capture pages and your landing pages that you can choose from. So the one that I'm using is this take action and send you $75. You can pick that one that you want to use. Again, you don't have to create these. Your link is already here for these different capture pages. So you can pick the one that you want, or you can use the one that I'm using, which again is this one right here. And once you choose that link, this is the link where you'll be sending people so that they can start opting into your capture page. Okay, so that's under the marketing funnels, and then also here they have the landing pages as well. So the difference between the two is the landing page, you're not collecting emails, it just gives you information with a video. Okay, so let's just click here so you guys can see it, and then if you decide to, you can also, so here, as you can see, there's no capture page. It just has the information, the join now button, and then some information here. Guaranteed leads is your problem solver, and it's telling you that this is an affiliate system, okay? So you can use that if you decide you don't want to collect leads. I recommend collecting the leads. If you decide you want to collect leads, you can choose from one of the capture pages that they have, and this is going to allow you to collect a name, a phone number, and an email address. Okay, so that's what you're going to get under the marketing funnel. For the tools, you're going to get the stats. You're going to be able to see how many people are clicking on your link. You're going to know when people paid, when they filled out the opt-in page to get more information, and you're going to be able to track everything that you need to track. They have the creating a tracking code if you want to track everything that you need to track. They have that also available. Here's the email autoresponder. This is basically set up for you. You can come in here and plug in guaranteed lead messages. Okay, as you go on, you can add that. And you can add an auto response message if you want. So they allow you to edit, load messages, preview, and delete here right in your back office. So this is a really good tool to have where you can just go ahead and plug as you go. And this is going to help you to send automated messages to your team. Okay. So then they also have the email broadcast if you want to send out to your entire list. They have banners here and they have tracking. Now here under the resources, they have your resources and getting started. You're going to have, they have trainings coming up. They have your marketing, the stacking the value, which is bonuses, the affiliate program system setup, and everything is going to show you exactly what to do step by step. You can take your time and go through this. Do not feel overwhelmed. Don't feel like you have to go through all of this at one time. This is just additional that they're going to give you to getting started so that you have all of the resources and tools that you need in order to be successful. And then here is where I started, which is you're getting started. So you want to go through these steps, okay? The most important part is, like the basics, adding your photo, making sure you add your payment options. Okay, once you have set up your payment options, you want to go into your marketing. You want to just see what that looks like and decide which strategies you want to use in order to start generating traffic. What do you like the most? And then this is also important, your affiliate program system setup. This is where you'll get your link and you'll know exactly what you have in the back office for you to start accepting your payments, because the payments will come directly to you. Okay. So here they have a referral program. This has people's personal information. I'm not going to pull it up, but it has the referrals and also the commissions. that you receive. I noticed that sometimes when people are paying me through Stripe, it is not coming up under commissions tab. But if you connect your Stripe account, you will know when someone get a payment because it's going to say $75 and it says what it's for. That's going to allow you to keep up with the commissions that come in. And then not only that, if you want to reach out to the people who sign up with you, you'll also have their information when they sign up through your Stripe account. I am noticing that I'm getting more people that are paying me through Stripe using that because it's easier to just use a debit or credit card. And then again, you can reach out to them when they decide to pay you. Okay. I always tell people it's a really nice touch to contact or stay in contact with the people that pay you because they ultimately, if they buy from you, they'll buy again. Okay. And you want to just maintain that relationship with your audience and the people who follow you and, buy products from you. So here we have the Picks and Shovel Center. And this is like resources that's going to help you promote your business and generate leads. And I'm not going to go into all of them, but whatever ones you decide to use, you're going to be able to add your affiliate link. And this is going to help you to start generating multiple streams of income. Now, this is optional. You don't need to use this. This is just another income stream for those who are looking for maybe an autoresponder, another business opportunity to add to what they currently have. But again, this is not mandatory. This is just additional on top of everything else that they give you. So don't feel like when you get here, you have to sign up for these opportunities. You have to be a part of it because you don't. Again, it's just picks and shovels. This is not something that you need in order to get started. You want to focus on the training, the marketing. Again, the picks and shovels is just additional. Okay. So this is, again, what it looks like. It's very simple, easy to follow. You're not going to get lost back here. You're not going to know what to do or what not to do when you first sign on. You're going to just watch this getting started video, and this is going to allow you to know exactly what you need to do and how many people, how many people you're going to promote your opportunity to, what traffic sources you're going to use, how consistent, you're coming up with a game plan, how consistent you want to be with using the system, and that's going to help you to get started. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in getting started, my information is right below this video in the description area. Feel free to reach out to me. And when you get started, please send me a text or an email, and I'll be glad to help you to get started. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next. Have a great day.